I've got the first task today of sort of setting the scene, a little bit about why we're here before I hand over to Ian, and just saying a little bit about Quotient. Quotient is we term ourselves a drug development manufacturing accelerator, providing integrated services across the entire development pathway. One of the things that we're probably best known for is our translational pharmaceutics platform, which integrates our drug product development and manufacturing capabilities with our clinical testing capabilities as well. But one thing we have grown a lot on in recent years is building out our drug product services, where we're involved in a lot of drug product development work from the preclinical formulation development space into early clinical development, and then supplying drug product onto patient studies and right the way through to commercial. But a big component of the work that we do is our clinical pharmacology services. Quotient is unique in industry in having drug product manufacturing and clinical testing embedded within the same organization. And as part of that activity, we of course have clinical units. Those clinical units are not used exclusively for translational pharmaceutics driven services. We are doing a lot of activity in the clinical pharmacology space, where we may receive drug product that's sent to us by other customers, or be executing later stage work. And that's really the focus of today's discussion. We've got 2 clinical units, one in Miami and one in Nottingham. Miami's nicer to visit if you get a choice of the 2.